Good afternoon, students. We have finished 6 problems in exercise 7.2. Now let us continue with 7th problem. In a square sheet, draw two triangles of equal areas such that the triangles are congruent, the triangles are not congruent. What can you say about their perimeters? Now here they are telling us to draw two triangles of equal areas so that one should be triangles congruent, other triangle should not be congruent. Then we have to say about their perimeter. Now let us draw two triangles here. 7th question. Now suppose here I am going to draw. Now here children, you have to draw with the help of a scale. I am just drawing. Now here I am taking a square here. Now I am going to draw a diagonal here. When I draw a diagonal here, can you see two triangles here? Yes, this is one triangle, this is one triangle. Now I am going to name it as A, B, C, D. Now here what they are telling, triangles should be of equal areas. Now here I am taking 4 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 4 centimeters and 4 centimeters. Now here we got two triangles. ABC is 1, ACD is 1. Okay, now first step. Now let's take area of this triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. What is the formula of area of this one triangle? Half into base into height. That is equal to half into, here base means what? BC is base and AB is height. Base is BC, height is what? AB. That is equal to half into, BC is how much? 4 into AB is 4. 2 ones, 2 twos. So 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. That is equal to 8 centimeter square. Why? Because this is in centimeters. So this is centimeter square. Now we have got for area of this triangle. Now in the same way we have to find out area of CDA. Now here area of triangle CDA, that also is half into same, half into, here what is the base here? Base is AD. This is height. Here when you see, this will be like this. Then when you are corresponding to that, it should be congruent. Congruent means what? Here AD will be the base and DC will be height. Base is how much? AD into height is CD. That is equal to half into, AD is how much? 4. CD is 4. 2 ones, 2 twos. That is equal to 8. This also is centimeter square. See, now we have got this also. This area also is 8 centimeter square. This also is 8 centimeter square. Now can we write area triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle CDA. So this area is equal to this area. Now in triangle ABC and triangle CDA, now here you see AB is equal to CD. Yeah, this is equal to this one. So AB is equal to CD. Then BC is equal to, this BC is equal to what? This BC is DA. Then AC, this AC will be equal to AC. So now these all are sides. we did not take any angles here. These all are the sides. Then in which congruence it will come? So by SSS, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle CDA. So now in this case, the perimeters of two triangles are equal. Did you understand, children? Now here they have told triangles are congruent. Another one is triangles are not congruent. Now first one we have taken triangles as congruent. Because why? We have taken here it is same. It is congruent to other triangle. So with the help of this one we have found out the perimeter also. Now second one, you see the triangles are not congruent. Not congruent means what we have to do now? Suppose now this is first one. Now I am going to say second one, the triangles are not congruent. Not congruent means now same way I am taking here also. I am taking one square. You have to draw with the help of a scale. Now suppose from B to C I am taking one. Okay. Now again A to C I am taking one more. Now here A, B, C, D. This is E. Now from here I am going to take one, this one, altitude. Now this one, this is L. Now here AB I am taking 4 centimeters, BC also 4 centimeters, this also 4 centimeters. Now here also you see two triangles are there, but it is not congruent to other triangle. You see A, B, C. A, B, C. Another one is E, B, C. See, this is one triangle and this is one triangle. Did you understand, students? It is not congruent to each other. First one we have taken the triangles are congruent. Now we are taking triangles are not congruent. Why? See here A, B, C, E, C, B. See, so much difference is there. It is not equal. It is not congruent. It is not of same shape or same size. So now here same step as we have found out in the first. Let's find out area of triangle. First triangle what? ABC. Triangle of area is how much? Half into base into height. That is equal to half into base is what here? Base is BC. Into height is, what is the height here for this one? A. This is one triangle. Yeah. A, B, C. So here D also is there. So here it is the height is AD here. That is equal to half into BC how much? 4. AD is how much? 4 centimeters. Yeah. 2 ones, 2 twos. 2 fours are 8 centimeter square. So this also we got 8 centimeter square. This is area of one triangle. Now second one is area of triangle. Second triangle is what? EBC. That is equal to half into base into height. Half into base is how much for when you take EBC, yeah, BC into EC. Half into BC means how much? 4 centimeters. EC is 4 centimeters. Here, students, sorry, here we have to get AC, not AD. This is ABC. So here it is AC. AC is 4 centimeters. So here you see 2 ones, 2 twos, 2 fours are 8 centimeter square. See, previously also we have got 8 centimeter square, 8 centimeter square. But here, even though we have got equal, but here these triangles are not congruent. So what we will write here? Triangle ABC and triangle EBC are not congruent. It is not congruent because it is not equal. So in this case, the perimeter of two triangles are not equal. So did you understand? When triangles are congruent and when they are equal, it will be equal. But you may ask, area of triangle, first triangle and second triangle we have got same. But even though we have got same, because these two triangles are not congruent. In this case, the perimeter of two triangles are not equal. So we have finished seventh problem. Now we shall see eighth problem. See, you see eighth one. Draw a rough sketch of two triangles such that they have 5 pairs of congruent parts, but still the triangles are not congruent. Now we shall see eighth one. Now I am going to draw two rough sketch of two triangles. Now here A, B, C. This is right angle 90 degree. This is 30 degree. This is 60 degree. Now here also same thing. I am taking one more triangle. P, Q, R. This I am taking as 30 degree. This is 60 degree. And this is right angle triangle. See now, they are willing to take rough sketch of two triangles such that they have 5 pairs of congruent parts, but still triangles are not congruent. Here you can see triangles are not congruent. Why? Here I have taken in this way, but here you see. Now suppose now here A will be corresponding to which one? P. B will be actually A will be corresponding to R. B will be corresponding to P. C will be corresponding to Q. Yeah? Yes. And we can see here and triangle ABC and triangle PQ are not congruent. Why? Because you see here we have taken in this, but here I have drawn, this is looks like right angle triangle, but whereas this is not right angle triangle. You see here. So now here angle, this A will be equal to angle R. Angle B will be equal to angle P. Angle C is equal to angle Q. These 5 pairs of congruent parts are there, but it is not congruent. So therefore what we can tell here? Triangle ABC and triangle PQ are not congruent. You understood, no? We have drawn sketch of two triangles. They have 5 pairs of congruent parts. See, this is equal to this. 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 C is equal to R. So there is, but these two both triangles are not congruent. So triangle ABC and triangle PQ are not congruent. So this is 8th problem. Still 2 more problems are there. We shall discuss in the next class. I hope you understood. Students, if you did not understand, you can feel free to ask. Thank you, students.